In this video, the Bitcoin falling broadening wedge which we mentioned yesterday has actually played out exactly as predicted. And right now, guys, we are going to understand this next tradable opportunity now we are seeing in the early time frame. Well, stay tuned to know more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So yeah, may banibago tayo movement dito nakita ko with the Bitcoin price action, and sa ating previous analysis, 'di ba? May mini monitor tayo if you're going to dive in dito sa ating latest analysis. So sa ating previous analysis na pinakita natin, we were monitoring that broadening falling wedge. And however, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, what I'm actually waiting out is for one last push. Pero if nagkaroon ng breakout, then we are going to open a long position. And right now, we saw that bullish breakout. And then as you can see, it has actually met our target exactly as predicted. However, actually, hindi ko siya na-trade kasi may inayos akong problema na encounter with my CEBU Pacific flight. So just a quick rant lang. Ang nangyari kasi is na meron ako actually booking with CEBU Pacific flight. Ang nangyari is nagtitingin ako ng mga ibang possible rebooking flights or rebooking schedule kasi I might want to reconsider a different flight schedule. So, nagtingin-tingin ako. And doon nakita ko, pagtingin ko sa aking account, nakalagay na may utang na daw kay Cebu Pacific na around 2,200 something, ganon. Doon di naman ganun kalakihan yung charge na yun. Pero, the fact that na bigla ako na-charge just by looking at the different flights, that wala pa naman ako kino-confirm, medyo annoying lang na tinry ko siya ayusin with customer service tapos hindi naging matino yung customer service kasi sabi nila according to them it's already confirmed, and hindi ko maintindihan, wala naman akong kinonfirm na booking, wala nga ako actually binayaran or pinunta sa final page kasi di ba previously sa mga old website pag nagtitingin ka pala na schedule up until sa final page, hanggat sa hindi mo kino-confirm yung payment or hanggat sa hindi mo kino-confirm yung booking, hindi pa siya mako-considered as confirmed booking hanggat walang payment. Pero dito sa panibagong website nila, hanggat umabot ka dun sa isa second to the last page or sa mga last few pages, nako-consider siya as confirmed booking tapos magkakaroon ka bigla ng utang sa Cebu Pacific. And based sa customer service, if di mo daw binayaran yung balance, ang mangyayari is yung inyong previous flight at yung current booking is mapo-forfeit. So, ang mangyayari nun is yung aking latest flight na magkakaroon pa siya ng extra charge at the same time yung aking previous flight, wala na siya totally. So, I don't get it na bakit kailangan nila gawin ng ganun yung kanilang system. Baka nangyari yung ganun dahil may panibagong framework yung kanilang booking system using a different JavaScript framework or di ko alam eh. Ang weird lang talaga na and super annoying na tinry ko siya ayusing within the past few hours. So, yung mga recent na breakout na nakita natin, di ko siya na-trade. So, yun yung quick rant lang bakit di ko na-trade itong latest movement dahil yun nga sa Cebu Pacific. But anyway, let's now dive into this video. And siguro right now, what we want to understand is what's next for the Bitcoin price action. So as you can see dito kay Bitcoin price action is, we are actually seeing that increasing price. I know if you're going to look at that, the price is increasing while the RSI is declining. And traditionally, that is a traditional sign of a bearish movement to the downside. So in that case, what we are going to monitor is this movement na from the 20,400, pupunta tayo around the 20,084 US dollars, siguro roughly around that area. I am going to target the previous support as our target. And then in that case, I am going to open a short position. And in this case, I've actually opened a short position with BYBIT. And take note, if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, remember to use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. And take note guys, if naka-follow kayo sa aking BYBIT copy trade, make sure to register dito sa C Games, dito kay BYBIT kasi ang mangyayari dyan is yung ating PNL, yung overall PNL natin is may include sa rankings ng Philippines. So if let's say maganda yung PNL natin sa BYBIT copy trade, gaganda din yung rankings ng Philippines sa BYBIT, and then on top of that, magkakaroon tayo ng price pool of up to 10,000 US dollars. So as much as possible, if nakakopy kayo sa aking copy trade account, make sure to register dito sa C Games kay BYBIT para kahit paano yung ating overall PNL ay matutulungan at mabibigyan tayo ng reward by just simply trading alone. And yun nga, yung ating latest trade ngayon dito kay Bitcoin price action, that is what we are currently monitoring, that bearish divergence. And siguro if you're going to look at this within the stochastic RSI within the 4-hour time frame, you can actually see now we are actually potentially forming that bearish cross. So we might actually potentially see this move back to the downside dito kay Bitcoin for the very short term or for the next few hours. And right now, I'm actually bearish biased with this latest movement. And yeah, initially what I'm going to target muna for the time being is around the 20,084 US dollars. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor within the Bitcoin price action for the very short term. But when it comes to the long term, as you can see, even though that the RSI is increasing, look at that. RSI is right now increasing. But as you can see, the price action is not declining much further. So in that case, that is not a bullish divergence. So right now, we don't have a confirmation yet of a bullish divergence within the Bitcoin price action. Though some would say na may hidden divergence daw tayo dyan kasi may higher high daw dito. But ako, I would personally prefer to have a bullish divergence rather than a hidden divergence dito kay Bitcoin price action. It's actually in the daily time frame. So this is actually a much bigger chart. So for the short term, we are going to expect a short-term pullback. But when it comes to the long term, we still don't have any confirmation yet for a long-term price action. So for the long-term price action, abang-abang muna tayo. So yung mga ating mid to long-term investors or mid to long-term traders, siguro abang-abang lang muna tayo hanggat wala pa tayong makikitang swing tradable opportunity. But for the very short term, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, which is this bearish divergence, that is the next trade that we are going to take advantage with BYBIT. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.